Welcome to the kingdom. If you're new to this, I'm going to teach you how to make $200 in a day. Easily $1,000. Every day we make $200 to $1,000. This is how we do it in the kingdom. We teach people of faith how to become financially free. Right now, we're looking at the Dow Jones. We are going to sell this market. I'm waiting for it to touch my line right there. It almost hit. I am going to sell this. I'm going into my one more push up and I'm in. I'll go in with 4 contracts. Let's see if it hits. We need one more push up. Come on, we're almost there. I'm in 4 contracts. Let's see if we can get a reversal on this. Let's see if we can bring this down. It's the 15-minute candle. Let's see if we can bring this down to the 660, 650 would be best. Let's check that 5-minute candle out. There's our $200. There's our 200. There's 280. We're going to take our 200. $240 for the kingdom in 2 minutes. We made our 200 in 2 minutes and the market is still dropping. It's that easy to make 200 a day, which equals 1,000 a week, which equals you can be free from a 9-to-5. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Show me you like this by subscribing to this channel. 2 minutes, $200, and then you can go do anything else you want for the rest of the day. I recommend you get a part-time job so you can be active and you can save up money. You can create a business. You can invest more heavily into the market. 2 minutes, $200. This is definitely how we do it on this side of the street, on this side of the road. This is easy. The stock market is on easy mode. Once you learn just a cheat code. You have to learn the cheat code. And I'm here to show it to you. You just saw live trading. 200, and this thing is still dropping. I should have been in, and that was your 1,000. I just wanted to show you how to make 200 a day. That's easy. Look at this candle. That's easily $1,000 on the day. Go back and look at my other videos if you want to learn more. Okay, we're going down on the NASDAQ. So now what you could have done once it broke that line, you could have went all into the downside, made a couple more thousand. Till the next video. Remember, seek first the kingdom, and everything will be added unto you. Get out there, create a kingdom business.